At the end of the video, we'll point you to a resource that will walk you through the process step by step and allow you to form an LLC for free. In addition, you will get a surprise gift that will help you to start your business on the right foot. Setting up an LLC, limited liability company, for a small business involves several steps. Here's a general guide. 1. Choose a name. Select a name for your LLC that complies with your state's LLC naming rules. Typically, the name must be unique and not already in use by another business entity in your state. You may also need to include LLC or another approved designator in the name. 2. File articles of organization. Prepare and file articles of organization with the Secretary of State or similar agency in your state. This document outlines basic information about your LLC, such as its name, address, purpose, and the names of its members or managers. 3. Designate a registered agent. You'll need to designate a registered agent for your LLC. This is a person or entity authorized to receive legal documents and official correspondence on behalf of the LLC. The registered agent must have a physical address in the state where the LLC is formed. 4. Create an operating agreement. While not always required by law, it's highly recommended to create an operating agreement for your LLC. This document outlines the ownership structure, management, decision-making processes, and other important details about how the LLC will operate. It helps prevent misunderstandings among members and provides clarity in case of disputes. 5. Obtain necessary permits and licenses. Depending on your business type and location, you may need to obtain certain permits or licenses to operate legally. Research the requirements at the federal, state, and local levels to ensure compliance. 6. Get an employer identification number, EIN. An EIN, also known as a federal tax identification number, is used to identify your business for tax purposes. You can obtain an EIN for free from the IRS website. 7. File annual reports and pay fees. Most states require LLCs to file annual reports and pay certain fees to maintain their active status. Be sure to stay informed about these requirements and comply with them to keep your LLC in good standing. 8. Open a business bank account. It's important to keep your personal and business finances separate. Open a business bank account in the name of your LLC to manage your business finances effectively. 9. Consider consulting professionals. Depending on your specific situation, you may want to consult with legal, tax, or financial professionals to ensure you're setting up your LLC correctly and taking advantage of any tax benefits or protections it offers. Remember that the process of setting up an LLC can vary slightly from state to state, so it's a good idea to research the specific requirements in your state or consult with a professional for guidance. Thank you for watching. As we conclude this video, go to the description below this video for a resource that will walk you through the process step by step and allow you to form an LLC for free. In addition, you will get a surprise gift that will help you to start your business on the right foot.